Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing my first Christmas video of 2015. We're gonna make this adorable Christmas train. It is made out of cookies, royal icing, and some candy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. To make 3D cookies, I baked 3 cookies of each shape. And then we're gonna glue these together and it's gonna stand on its own. This is going to be the engine, so you only need one of those. This is a passenger car. The front panel is going to have windows, and I made the windows with a small square cutter. Notice the middle cookie has a larger cutout made with another cutter. Both of the cutouts were made before the cookies were baked. And this is the last shape we'll be decorating today. This will be a cargo cart. And now we can decorate. To decorate these cookies, I'm using royal icing and I'm going with plain white royal icing. I really like the combination of dark cookie and white icing on the top. If you don't want to use gingerbread cookie, you can also option for chocolate cookie. That would work really nice, or maybe you can use peanut butter cookies as well. I have a recipe for peanut butter cookies posted on my YouTube channel. To make the passengers, I'm using gumballs. Cut the gumball in half. Ideally, you want to use yellow gumballs because these would be emoji faces. Super cute. And then use edible markers and draw the faces. Make sure you only add smiles, no more frowning, guys. And then we can put this together. Just glue the pieces with royal icing. Don't forget to put the emoji faces in there. You also want to use a little bit of royal icing to glue them onto the cookie. And then add the top panel. And your passenger car is ready. You just have to let it dry for a little bit. Now we can make the engine. I wonder if Santa is watching, you know, because I haven't written to him in a long time, well, since last year, and I'm not sure if I'll have time. So in case you are watching, Santa, I'd like to get a really nice perfume for Christmas. And now let's make the cargo car. Now you have to let this dry and then take edible marker and write the name of the train. This is a really fine tip edible marker. I get lots of questions about this one. Link to an online source where you can get this marker is included in the description box under the video, along with all the recipes and other tools that I used in this video as well. Now we're gonna fill these with candies. First car is going to be filled with black coal. These are small chocolate candies. And rest I will be filling with mini M&Ms. Once you're done, you can display your train under the tree or on a table. It's super cute and it smells so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.